Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. And we're going to be starting off our weekly analysis with dollar yen. It is 1:10 in the afternoon, March 23rd, 2025. And let's get into it straight away. All right, dollar yen right now on the week has main support at 147.24. There is short-term resistance at 150.09 and the bigger resistance at 150.87. I think that dollar yen right now is going to be tracking in between these 2 points. Don't see really much happening. If dollar yen decides that, if something happens, say geopolitically, they're going to run to the yen again and actually force it down. But it should have some decent support here on the lower level at 147.23. Now, if that level goes, it's opening up its path to really like 146.40. But we'll cover that in the daily analysis. So make sure you always come back, watch my daily analysis, because I give you the points. These are just the overall wide points. Right now, dollar yen is neutral to slightly bullish. Neutral to slightly bullish. So let's go over to good old sterling dollar. This one, we've been talking about this. It has not changed. It has not changed. We made an excellent trade call on Friday with sterling, basically saying that if it couldn't get above 129.61, it was heading back down to like 128.80. Now, it came pretty damn close, but what's happening right now? Well, there is, on the weekly chart, there is upper resistance at 130, like 130.15.20 level. Main resistance at 130.43. We have a short-term resistance on the week at 128.75 with the main support at 128.20 in cable. Now, if that level goes, for whatever reason, on the downside, we're drifting towards like 127 the figure. I think it's really stuck between 128.20 and 130 right now. But anything could happen, obviously. So that 128.20 is a critical price for us. We've got to make sure that we pay attention to that price. Let's go on over to good old sterling yen. This is another one that really has been wild. It's been trading, but staying within the range. Right now in sterling yen itself, it's really important that we hold this bottom, this 192.06 level. So far, it's been able to do it. We had a nice rebound, but really in sterling yen itself, let me see. Let me get some good points in sterling yen. So sterling yen, this up and coming week, we got some resistance at 193.55, and we got some really monster resistance at 194.71. If this bottom goes that we were talking about earlier, this bottom is pretty important right now for the week. If this level goes right there, we could see a potential of sterling yen dipping down to the all-important level of 192. 190.72. 190.72. So we're looking at this bottom breaks, it's opening up a path right here to 190.72 with the all-important support at 190.28 right behind it. If we could punch through 193.55, we got resistance during the week at 190.71. Again, got to come in and watch the daily stuff because that's where I give all the daily points. Let's go over to euro yen. Right now, as it stands in euro yen, well, weekly resistance is 163.35. Of course, we're going to have some upward resistance at 162, the figure right now. The all-important level to hold is this 160.63. If this level goes, we're back opening up to 159.90, 160, the figure. If that goes, then it's opening its path back up to like 158. I would go 159, the figure first. 159, the figure right down there. So that's what we got on the weekly map. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Head over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. I'm telling you, it's going to be like it's nothing you ever read before. It's not nonsense. There's really good stuff in there. And remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.